You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this river, as well as how to say more river names and names from geography, many mispronounced. Stay tuned. Elbe. Elbe is how it's said in German. Now in English it's often referred to as Elbe, Elbe, simply, or Elbe. And now you know. More videos here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.